Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this portable sparkling water and soda maker that includes the 8 CO2 cylinders. Alright, so right here we have this portable sparkling water machine which includes 8 gas cylinders. So it's ready to go right out of the box. You can start making your fizzy drinks. This adopts with advanced double pressure relief valves. The OTE sparkling water will make the jets of gas water into just 0.5 seconds. The CO2 dissolution rate can reach up to 60%, while the traditionals only at 40%. So now let's go in the box and then we'll see what we have here. So this has a 99.99% purity CO2 without sugar and sodium. So here is the gas cylinders. You get 8 of them. So if you were to make a drink every day, you'll have this every day for the next 8 days. So this portable soda maker will make with 450 milliliters capacity and the weight of 0.5 kilograms. So here's just a little attention, some extra information about the gas cylinders. And these are the tiny ones which can be replaced. So you can see here's the whole cylinder. It is completely full. So when you purchase this water machine, it is actually full of gas. So you're ready to go right out of the box. Alright, so now let's dive into the actual soda itself. So this is the container that will actually fizzy up your water. So here's the container. Here is your user manual. This basically just tells you how to use it. You just pop the top off, put your cylinder in there, put it back in, screw it on, and then the very top you just twist and it will release the carbon. And then you pour it. So this is 3 different parts. This is the top part. You have the screw-on part at the bottom, and then you have the container itself. So here's the container. This holds up to 450 milliliters. So the cartridges are 8 grams. These are the mini cartridges. One twist, you can make it on your own fizzy water. I actually used some of that drink mixture, the water enhancer. It works perfect in this. So this is where you'll put the cylinder in. Actually, you'll put it at the top. It'll pop this little seal right here and it'll release the CO2. So that's where you'll put the cartridge in. Got some nice little design at the top that doesn't do anything, just for looking purposes. So you untwist this. So in here they have little beads, which basically is the filtration. You do not want to remove this. I just did this because I like to get in here and see what this is all about. It does have like little grains. There's a little filter in there, so if you remove that, it comes out like little crystals. That's just a filtration process. So now I just got to put them all back up in here. And then the filter. So this device does not need no power. It's only 3 steps to make sparkling beverage. 1, you fill it with water. Insert the 3 twist. Equipped with a double pressure relief valve. So I'm just going to put all these back in. Screw this back on. Put some water in the container. And we are going to mix our CO2. So this can be used repeatedly for up to 3,000 times, endless, and an eco-friendly lifestyle for additional plastic bottle waste. So these help with plastic bottle wastage. So we got this on nice and tight. That is where your CO2 will come out of here and the filter. So now they do have a max and a mini. It's marked here on the side. This is a double-walled container. You can see right there, it's really nice container. So now we're just going to go and fill this up. Once you got this filled up, you just twist it tight. You put the cylinder into the top part. So now we have some water in it. It does have a max and a mini. So we did the max. You'll just twist this on here to lock it up. And then here at the top is where you'll put your cylinder at. Goes in here just like that. When you're ready, you'll just put it on here, twist it. But when you do one hard twist, it will dispense the CO2. So just one twist of the hand. And there you go. You got some CO2 dispensed. You can see the bubbles coming out from the bottom. And I do have some flavored water enhancers. And at the bottom you can see that the seal has been broken, has been used. Once you have this completely used, you just throw it away. And you got 7 more. So just twist the top off and then you'll put your drink. So if I have this strawberry watermelon flavor, so I'm going to open this up. You can see that it'll fizz up. Just want to make sure it doesn't overflow. Now I'm going to put in my flavor enhancer. You can see it fizz over. Do a little bit more since it's a bigger cup. I'm going to put the top on. We're going to mix it. You do not want to mix it too fast or it will blow over. You can see that it's very well carbonated. It is lightweight, portable. You can take this anywhere if you're out and about and you want to have some flavored water that is sparkling. You got it right here on the tip of your hands. The great thing about this is you do get 8 cartridges, so that if you do one a day, that will take it for 8 days. Once you're done mixing your drink, you can drink it from this canister, or you can put it, in my situation, in a glass for ready to drink. I recommend using super cold water. So you can see that it's nice and fizzy. So this is an alternative. Instead of buying the bigger version, this one is to go. You can take this with you anywhere you want to go, camping, just on the car ride. This does come with 8 canisters. I would definitely recommend, if you like fizzy water and you like it to go with you, come and check this one out. I definitely recommend this one.